Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Highland Park, local and long distance movers near me. Is your move long distance? You don't have to worry. 3 movers can help make your move about anywhere, whether the move is interstate or intrastate. We cover a distance that's above 100 miles both locally and among different states. To ensure that the move is successful, we have cultivated a responsible and reasonable relationship with the proper authorities. Our relationship with these authorities, both at the federal and state levels, guarantee our trustworthiness and security. Also, we have set up insurance policies that will take care of covers and risks of liabilities during the move. Our policies will also serve our clients after the move and ensure the client's belongings are safe. Our professional movers are dedicated and disciplined and can handle the complexities of long distance relocations. They will deliver your belongings to you in the proper condition. Therefore, you don't have to worry when we can handle your relocation. We also always want to see you satisfied. Our local and statewide services are very affordable and customer centric. Compared to our long distance moves, the rates of the local moves are very cheap. They cost about $30 to $40 per hour. Our drivers are also diligent, making sure to keep you comfortable throughout your move. They are not only diligent, and they are also licensed, and they can help ease your move effectively. Our priority is to put the customer's needs first so as not to surprise anyone and that we have the best reviews in the community. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Highland Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.